Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Qiqing stronger. First, let's focus on her core strengths. Qiqing excels as an electro damage dealer, so maximizing her electro damage bonus and critical stats is key. We'll look at easy ways to select the right artifacts and weapons to significantly boost her combat effectiveness, making her a formidable force on your team. Get ready to see some impressive damage numbers. Next, let's talk about artifacts. The 4-piece Thundering Fury set is fantastic for Qiqing, boosting her electro reactions by 40%. Alternatively, a 2-piece Thundering Fury combined with a 2-piece Gladiator's Finale or Shimnawa's Reminiscence can provide a solid 18% attack bonus. For main stats, always aim for electro damage bonus on the goblet and crit rate, or crit damage on the circlet to maximize her output. Now, let's equip Qiqing with the right weapon. For 5-star options, the Missplitter Reforged is her absolute best, providing a massive 44.1% crit damage and elemental damage bonuses. The Primordial Jade Cutter is another superb choice, offering a high crit rate. Among 4-star weapons, Lion's Roar is fantastic, increasing damage against enemies affected by Electro by 20%, making it a very accessible and powerful option. Finally, let's optimize Qiqing's team and talents. Pairing her with an Anemo character like Sucrose or Kazuha can significantly amplify her electro damage through swirl reactions and resistance shred. Adding a Cryo character for Superconduct or a Pyro character for Overload will further boost her damage. Remember to prioritize leveling her normal attack, then her elemental skill, and finally her elemental burst to maximize her overall combat potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.